Hello and welcome to the video tour of Crown Isle Boulevard. I'm Andrina Koch-Schulte with the Comox Valley Real Estate Group with Royal LePage in the Comox Valley. Welcome to this beautiful home. Great house, fabulous yard, fabulous neighborhood. It's got it all. I love this impressive foyer with cathedral ceilings. And this kitchen, gourmet, beautiful design. Fail-proof kitchen with all the best stainless steel appliances. A lovely design and practical for the chef of the family. Eat like a king or queen and wash your dishes like royalty too. The living room opens to a covered deck space. What if it rains or it cools off? No problems. Covered deck and heaters. We have some high-tech finishings like these controlled window covers. Getting too hot out there? No problems. These can be controlled on yourself while you're away for the day. We've got this beautiful primary bedroom and ensuite. And 2 additional bedrooms and a workspace area as well. The owner is an excellent landscaper and did some amazing hardscaping together with his crew. Another nice advantage to buying a nearly new home, there's more time for drinking. Milano's Coffee Shop is a traditional neighborhood coffee shop. Amazing pumpkin with lavender squares. The perfect meal replacement. The Crown Isle Golf community is just walking distance away. Great golf and great restaurants and a fabulous patio space. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Crown Isle Boulevard, but remember, it's better in person. If you've got any questions about this property or others, please contact my team or contact your realtor. We'd be happy to answer questions.